Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota 86 steering wheel. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery. This crucial step prevents accidental airbag deployment. Wait at least 10 minutes after disconnection to allow any residual power to dissipate, ensuring the system is completely de-energized. Before you begin, make sure your steering wheel is perfectly centered and locked in position to maintain proper alignment for reinstallation. Next, locate the small access holes on the sides or back of the steering wheel. Using a thin flathead screwdriver, gently insert it into these holes to push the retaining clips inwards. As each clip releases, the airbag module will begin to loosen. Carefully pull the airbag module away from the steering wheel. Then, disconnect all electrical connectors attached to the airbag, typically 2 yellow wires and sometimes a small blue wire, by prying up their tabs. With the airbag safely removed, you'll see a large central nut holding the steering wheel in place. Use a 17mm socket to loosen this nut, but do not remove it completely. Leave it threaded a few turns to prevent the wheel from flying off unexpectedly. Before pulling, use a marker to make alignment marks on both the steering wheel and the steering shaft. Now, gently wiggle the steering wheel from side to side while pulling it towards you to free it from the splines. Once the steering wheel is loose, you can fully remove the central nut and carefully thread any remaining wires through the steering column opening. Take care not to damage the clock spring mechanism. Store both the steering wheel and the airbag module in a safe, clean, and dry place, ideally face up for the airbag. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.